Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating HP LaserJet Code 43 error, you're in the right place. This error, often popping up in the device manager, signals a problem with your printer's hardware or drivers. In this video, we'll break it down step by step, covering what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it for 2025 models and beyond. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Code 43? It's a Windows error code that basically means your computer has detected a problem with the device. In this case, your HP LaserJet printer. It could indicate that the hardware isn't responding properly or that there's a conflict in the system. This error is common with USB-connected printers and can pop up after updates or hardware issues. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include outdated or corrupted drivers, which happen when Windows updates don't play nice with your printer software. Hardware problems, like a faulty USB port or a loose connection, can also trigger it. Additionally, conflicts with other devices or even malware might be at play. In 2025, with more advanced printers, we might see issues related to firmware incompatibilities or power management settings. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by restarting your computer and printer. This simple step resolves many glitches. Next, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it. Find your HP LaserJet under Printers or Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically for updates. If that doesn't work, download the latest drivers directly from the HP website. Make sure to select the correct model and your operating system. If the error persists, try unplugging the USB cable, waiting 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. You might also need to disable and re-enable the device in Device Manager. For more stubborn cases, run the Windows Hardware Troubleshooter or perform a system restore if the error started after a recent change. Remember, always back up your data before troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should have your HP LaserJet up and running smoothly. If you're still stuck, check the HP support forums or contact their customer service. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.